Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple videos in one Instagram story. The Instagram doesn't allow combining multiple videos in a single story by default, but don't worry, you can easily do it using CapCut. It is a free video editing app, and here's how. Step 1. Open your CapCut app on your phone, then tap the New Project and select your first video. Tap the format and choose 9 by 16 aspect ratio. It is preferred and perfect for IG stories. Then tap overlay and add overlay and select another video. You can resize and transform the arranged videos as needed. You can also repeat it for more clips. And then, once done, tap export and save to gallery. Then, open the Instagram and go to the story and upload your edited video. And that's it. You can now combine the multiple videos in one story using CapCut. Now, all your videos will play within one story. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching!